Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Ask and ask we can do about factorization. Now I will put the square root of s go outside. Next, about s, that is about the square root of s to the power of 2. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2 next to here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by u. ds over the square root of s we change by this one. So the integration of this one in here, we have number 2 outside of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.